Hello everybody and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to set up the Practice Hub app inside your sub account. So let's get started. First and foremost, you go at the level of our marketplace to search for the app, and then you go at install, allow it install. You're required to provide some credentials in order to get the installation going. Let's do it right away. Just like this, do this, continue. You get success, which means that the tool is already connected. The next step is just to go at the level of the custom page. So you scroll down and you have practice help. If it doesn't pop here, just try to refresh the page. So this is a new interface. You get documentation, tutorials, and setup. If you go at the level of documentation, you will access all the instructions, all the steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. At the level of tutorials, you have this smart queue guide that's going to show you how to get all the credentials, and here the setup video. Finally, the setup that gives you the status of the app. That's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all the questions. Thank you for watching.